As a dental therapist, I help people overcome their anxiety about going to the dentist. Show me on the doll where the dentist... It's estimated that about 75% of Americans suffer from some form of dental anxiety. Nigel has been my toughest client to date. First off, he's British, so he lacks the social and cultural pressure that most Americans have with regard to good oral hygiene. I mean, have you seen the royals? Second, he has the worst teeth I've ever seen. I think I just lost my appetite. For the purposes of this interview today, we've actually had to ask him to wear a mask because the network found his teeth to be quite disturbing.
Americans are obsessed with their teeth. I don't know why. You know, I mean, a teeth's supposed to be that white. I don't know. I mean, what is wrong with yellow? Just a little bit of yellow and a little bit of black, a little bit of, you know, sticking out this way. I don't know. What is America's obsession with teeth? It's like the Hollywood smile. It's not real. It's not real. And I wouldn't even be here for this therapy if it wasn't for the, you know, the immigration process. It's so strict, it's unbelievable. I mean, you know, hours and hours of paperwork, which is fine, yeah, I understand. 9/11, they've got to check everything. You come here and then your teeth aren't, you know, you've got to sort your teeth out.
We can't let just anybody in. Today, I have to give Nigel some bad news. Listen, Nigel, you can come in here nearly 3 years at this point. We've tried all the traditional methods approved by the Dental Therapy Association. We tried firewalking, shock therapy, bungee jumping, phrenology, paddling, humiliation, extreme ironing, bibliotherapy, cage fighting, sleep deprivation, snowboarding, and asphyxiation. And nothing has worked yet. So we're only left with one resort. We're going to need to go off the record and try some techniques that are not yet approved by the Dental Therapy Association.
Okay.
There's one in particular that I've been developing with some colleagues of mine. And with your approval, I would like to start you on bubble wrap therapy.
No. But bubble wrap therapy?
Yes.
No.
We're really left with no
resort. There's something I need to tell you, Megan. I've been very patient. There's something I need to tell you.
Well, what?
It's about a recurring dream that I've had since I was a child. Well, I'm quite pleased with today's session. I think I've had a bit of a breakthrough. I mentioned a dream that I'd actually had since I was a child, a recurring dream about going to the dentist. Yeah, that was it. Going to the dentist, and everything's fine, and then when I get home, my teeth just start falling out. You know, all my teeth fall out, one by one, but they just all start falling out.
That's what's keeping you from going to the dentist?
I guess so.
That's completely irrational, Nigel. Completely irrational. I mean, the tooth fairy would never let all your teeth fall out at once. She would go broke.
Really?
Absolutely.
Okay. Really? Okay. Why we haven't discussed this in the last 3 years, I'll never know. But I'm pleased. I'm feeling much more confident about this. I can see myself making an appointment to a dentist now. I can visualise that, and well, I think taking a good step forward to becoming a permanent American resident.
It was the craziest thing. It was apparently this dream he's had since he was a kid that was the real problem. You know, despite all the therapy that we've been going through for the last several years, it was the dream. Never a dull moment in my job.